This AI agent combines Serpstat's powerful SEO analytics with SmythOS's automation capabilities to provide industry intelligence more affordably and efficiently. Watch as we show how this agent gathers insights from thousands of sites using just a few of your inputs. Setting up the agent requires minimal configuration, just your Serpstat API token and Google Sheets integration for data management. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. You only need to specify your target industry, geographic location, and the number of keywords to analyze. These simple inputs power a sophisticated analysis pipeline that would normally require multiple manual processes and hours of expert work. The AI agent begins by generating a comprehensive list of industry-specific keywords using advanced natural language processing. Once these keywords are identified, the system makes asynchronous API calls to Serpstat, requesting SERP data and search volume metrics for each keyword in your specified location. While traditional analysis might take days, our agent waits just 60 seconds between calls to efficiently collect and process massive amounts of data. So, the input we start with here is basically the industry we're looking for, the country, the region or location within the country, and how many keywords we would like to use and analyze for it. After collecting SERP and volume data, the agent performs traffic share calculations to determine market dominance. The system creates a structured spreadsheet showing each keyword, its assigned group, estimated traffic, and the percentage of traffic share by domain. This visualization helps you instantly identify which competitors control the most valuable traffic in your industry and which keyword groups drive that traffic. The true power of this agent appears when it automatically classifies each domain by industry relevance and purpose. Every domain discovered in the previous step is sent through Serpstat's Domain Classification API, then enriched with both ranking performance metrics and backlink profile data. This multi-dimensional analysis provides a complete competitive landscape that would normally require multiple tools and expert analysis. The final output combines traffic share, industry classification, keyword performance, and backlink metrics into a single actionable dashboard. This agent doesn't just save time, it transforms how you approach market research and competitive analysis. Our clients have identified new market opportunities, optimized their content, and gained competitive insights that directly improved their search rankings. To implement this AI agent for your business, check the description below for step-by-step setup instructions, API documentation links, and our exclusive discounts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more SEO automation tutorials.